Now I gotta buy a piece of shit. Why? No.
Look at it. She's teary-eyed.
I told someone in my mother's car. I was like, well, I'm driving it, and I looked at him, and they looked at me, and I was like, look at him, wait, and then,
That's what we were up to today.
oh.
Well, that's what the boys were doing.
Why did you do this to me? My baby.
But you're not going to go have a look at it?
You didn't know this the whole time.
Yeah, I knew this whole time.
No, and the guy.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's in on it too.
Maybe I should just send him a message, fuck you.
Even Dan and Carlos were in the engine bay getting a real good squeaky.
How's me? What the fuck's wrong with your car? It's not me.
If something was wrong with my car, I'd be crying.
Yeah, well, that's what I was like, oh my god, like, what's happening? Yeah, leave me be. That's because I don't have anything nice besides my horse and you and the girls.
That's it right there. Want to unlock it? And you got a spare key inside as well.
You little shits.
Now we've got another wagon in the gang. So it is, guys.
What's wrong with it? I was literally like, oh no.
Got anything to say to Carlos and the guy that we bought the car off?
Fuck, he's broke. I hope his other car gets stolen. Hey, he's a wow.
Cleaned it too. It's me.
Oh, he just painted it.
No, I just got my selection.
Oh.
So yeah, that's it. Surprise for today. Happy?
Sent me a message at work. Like, I'm sold the car. I was like, okay.
We literally told him when we left.
I said,
Yeah.
tell her it's gone.
He's like, yeah, I'll message her that it was sold. Someone picked it
And
up
he's
today.
like, oh, I feel bad, man. I was like, yes. Fine.
The funny thing was, I was at work and I was like, this fucking shit. I was like, no. And then I'm like, and I still getting poor Tori after what happened to her. She's like, what's her